What up, guys? So today we're gonna go out to the river, guys. I haven't been fishing like in 4 weeks, to totally be honest with you guys. It might not look because I put a video once a week, that's why, but I got a cold and it literally kicked my butt. Had no energy. I still had tons of mucus. I still had congestion. I still have congestion in my lungs. But I'm starting to feel better today. But we're gonna go out here and just have some fun. With that being said, guys, we on the road to 500 subscribers, guys. Help me get out there, guys. When we get to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a big giveaway, and there's a couple giveaways and some videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. So let's get out there and hopefully we can manage to catch something today, because I have that itch. I haven't been able to catch nothing or cast my rods, so I might be a little rusty today. But let's get out there and see if these small jaws want to bite, or some largemouth, or even a big nasty pike. You never know. So I will see you there. Alright, guys, we're gonna start off with the curve finesse from 6 Sense Fishing. Little shad looking deal imitator. And I have my the other one is 13 Fishing on Gordito. Really good colors for this type of year. So we're gonna see if we can make something happen with these two. I have another rod in the truck with the chatterbait, just in case we gotta use that one, but I don't think we're gonna be able to need it. So let's get started and see if we can catch at least one. Start off the day. I got a big one, guys. Look at this. It says Northern. I knew we would catch something. Look at that little gator. Little gator. Never fails. I just see he blew up on it. There we go. Yeah. Nice little northern pike. Whew. At least we got the skunk out. I was thinking we weren't gonna catch nothing this morning. As soon as it hit the water, he hammered it. Let me get this pliers up. Calm down, guys. Help you. You hooked yourself all up and got the skunk off, guys. Got yourselves a little northern pike. Hopefully we keep getting some more, but this is a beautiful fish. Look at that. For a lot of you that don't know, northern's got teeth. So yeah, beautiful northern pike. First fish this morning. Let's let him go. Look at that, beautiful northern. There we go. Heck yeah, hopefully keep getting better and better fish, guys. Awesome. Well, guys, it's raining now. Look at that. But we're gonna stay here. We're gonna try to fish at my spot that I normally come catch the walleyes, catfish, and smallmouth, whatever. And we're gonna give it our last try. Give it here about maybe 2 hours. It's already 11:20. I had plans to record like 3 videos today, but it's been thundering. But on the last spot, guys, I missed one big smallmouth where the creeks connect. with the creek and the Rock River connect. I missed one. He just came up to it, nosed it up, and that was it. And then on the way back from there, I ended up catching another smallmouth, but he came off like right at shore. So that could have been 3 already we could have caught, but no, we only have that one. So just gonna keep grinding it out, guys. They gotta be around here somewhere. It's just been kind of tough. Maybe I'm not using the colors that they want, but hey, we'll figure it out as it goes. Smallmouth, guys. Holy cow. Look at the size of this bad boy. Look at the size of it. Jesus. Now that's a football right there. Holy cow. I knew it was good coming here. Look at that one, guys. Whoa, look how fat he is. He's been getting fat for fall time. I'll take this as much as I've been struggling today. I'll take this bad boy any day. Hopefully we catch some more of this one. All right, let's let him go. Z-Man, guys, he's red with the Zaccos. This is what I'm using today. Well, right here, I haven't been using it all day. Maybe this is what I should have been doing, using this one all day. Hey, Z-Man, holla at your boy. Sponsor the man. Look at that. I knew coming here would pay off. Whew. You do not want to take, you don't have to use the pliers. Six-cent hooks are way too sharp. I felt them personally. Yeah, I'm not about to stick my hand in. Come here, guy. I'm gonna wash you off, clean you up, give you some camera time. Another beautiful smallmouth. Whew, that's the third one of the day today, guys. Third fish today. After struggling all morning, I'm very happy now. Alright, guys, let's let this bad boy go. Over here, it's a little bit deeper. There he goes. Back to the current. See if I can get this you guys as clean as possible. I'm just scared I'm gonna fall in the water because this pipe is wet. But anything to catch fish, right, guys? That's just how I see it. If I knew there was if I knew there was smallmouth here earlier, I would have came straight here. But hey, fishing is part of looking for them, not just expect to go to somebody's spot or assume that they're at a certain spot when they're not. So Got one right here, guys. Another one. Oh, I lost him right there. This bad boy came out of nowhere. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode, guys. It wasn't long. It wasn't the best fishing, but I think I did a couple good things to capitalize to make my day better, because at the beginning I wasn't able to catch nothing. So I switched to the jerk bait and the chatterbait, and that seemed that was the key to success. I only able to catch 3 on video, guys. Sorry, I didn't catch 5 on video. I lost a couple of them, but hey, a bad day of fishing, it's better than a good day of work, guys. So I will see you guys next time, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next week.